Okay, so lemon, no bake, keto, cheesecake pie is done. I'm gonna show you guys how cute it looks. Yum. Okay, so let's do a taste test. It's really good. It's light, it's refreshing. I think it would be really easy to make this like a key lime no bake instead of lemon. Just use sugar-free lime and fresh limes for the juice instead of lemon. It's very refreshing. Perfect for summer. I topped it with just a little bit of sugar-free whipped cream, fresh lemon slices. The crust is like the best crust that I've ever had. This will be my go-to pie crust for any kind of pie that I make from now on, for sure. And it was grain-free. So, hope you try this. If you try this recipe, leave me a comment below. Let me know how you like it.
Some more and it comes just this. And then you put it on. But I'm just still drinking.
Can you try some more of the lemon pie?
Yeah. Mom, you're taking a video of this. I know it is your anime.
Yeah, I am. Is it good?